Hi, kids! Hi, kids! Pets! Come and see! Let's learn with me, Pets Animal.
Who are best friends? Dog and cat. Play. Dog says woof and cat says meow all day.
Who is barking?
Doggy, woof woof woof.
Run and play. Good dog.
Woof woof.
Who says meow?
Kitty,
Meow, meow. Soft fur. Wow.
Who hops, hop.
rabbit, hop.
Carrot crunch. Stop. Who walks very slow?
Turtle,
Slow. Shell on back. Go. Who swims in water?
fishy,
Swish. Bubble, make a wish. Who can talk? Parrot. Hello. Green wings. Who is tiny and round? Hamster. Run. We'll go spin. Fun. Who says cheep?
chick, cheep.
Tiny wings. Jump. Who goes honk? Goose.
Honk, walk,
By the pond. Who swims round and round? Goldfish. Swish. Bubble, a wish.
swish.
Who goes tweet? Birdie. Tweet. Fly, so sweet.
Bye, kids. Please like and subscribe.